Good morning, guys. So, hello, this is Dexter Belastic and welcome to my show. Ito lang, pakita lang natin. Gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo to kung anong na-receive ko yesterday from our government again. Dito sa Pasig. This is what they called an emergency go bag. And, yan, tingnan lang natin kung ano laman ito ngayon. And yun, let's alamin natin kung anong laman at lagan to. But before I begin opening this bag, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell button if you to give you more updates on my future vlogs. So now, ito, buksan na natin to para hindi na patagalin. And yan, let's get it on. So yan. And let's check lang naman natin to kung ano to. So this bag is they call this an emergency go bag given by the government of Pasig for sa mga residents dito. Maybe this bag, or not maybe, this probably na this bag is for the disasters scenarios. For example, yung lindol, yung bagyo, yung baha. This is for these scenarios. Gagamitin tong bag na to. And if I'll describe this bag first. Yung bag is made of yung ginagamit na parang lona or pag dun sa mga plastic boat. It seems high quality. Yan. May logo siya ng lungsod ng Pasig. Yan, emergency go bag as you can see. And the back is ito, yung 450 years Pasig. So yan, it's still sealed. Binigay lang to sa amin yesterday. Yan, kumbaga scheduled na ibigay sa amin. So yan, kinuha ko lang siya. And let's see na ano na naman ito. So yan, ito bukas na siya ngayon. And we'll see lang naman kung ano naman ito. Ayan, ito, tinanggal ko na yung pack. Ito yan, ito lang naman siya. Let's see. Plastic bag of dono, isang walang laman. And then this, ayan. And is there anything else? Wala lang, holder lang. Probably holder pa ng bag pa rin, because look, in fairness, maganda siya, mukha siyang matibay, marami siyang may lalagay. Good, magiging maganda siyang container. Quality wise, maganda. Look sturdy, look tibay. So now, tabi ko lang to. And this is yung handle siguro na yan. Later we'll put it back ulit dito sa bag dahil yun, as it is. It is an emergency bag, so hindi dapat siya parang binubuksan like this one. Pero binuksan ko lang siya para mapakita rin sa lahat kung ano laman ito ng emergency go bag. So yan, like this one, ito ngayon, as you can see, ito yung first aid kit. Yan ang laman. Ano ba laman ng first aid kit? Let's see. So ang laman ng first aid kit ay ano, ayan, yung mga supplies like this one. Ayan, isa-isayin pa natin. Okay, sige, isa-isayin natin. Okay, what's this? Triangular bandage, cotton, ayan. Okay, scissor, ayan. Scissor or gunting, ayan. User's guide, user's manual, ayan. Family disaster preparedness booklet, ayan. And at the back is emergency numbers, ayan. And micropore paper tape, ayan. One mark of alcohol pads, then elastic bandage, then plastic strip, yan, Band-Aid ba? Yan, sterilized plastic strips, then yan, yung povidone iodine, disinfectant, yan, yung isang term dyan, disinfectant, and gauge, yan, gauge punch, that's a gauge. Yan, yun ang laman nito. Yan, laman yan, yung first aid kit. So, yan, it seems madami, diba? So, dali. Next naman, next one, ito. Nakalagay siya sa plastic like this. Yan. Let's see. Yan. So, ito naman yung sumunod. Okay. Pito? Yeah. It's a whistle. Yeah. Then hand pressing flashlight manual. Gumagana ba ito? Hopefully gumagana siya. Ito yan. How do we use this? Okay. It's alive! Ayan. Kita naman ninyo. It's alive! So, yun siya. Una is whistle or pito, then flashlight, and then thermal blanket. Okay, it's a thermal blanket. Ayan. And then ito yung light to eh. Ito yung pag sinake or binrate. Ayan, it's a light. So, dito pa lang mukhang alam na natin kung para saan to. Meron kang thermal blanket, meron kang light, meron kang whistle, and meron kang flashlight. And meron kang plastic. Ayan. Ziplock So most probably yan, alam mo na. Kung ang una is for pag may na-injure, this one, alam na, it's either may, kumbaga, for disaster talaga, lalo na kung meron kang thermal blanket, meron kang flashlight, meron kang whistle, meron kang ganito, yan, light na yan, disaster yan, it's either lindol, most probably lindol. Pero ayan, pwede mo rin gamitin yan pag may baha, siguro na stranded ka sa bahay, or yan, sunog, I don't know. Pero most probably kapag yung medical to, yan, regardless yan kung sunog, lindol o baha, pag may nasugatan, it's always here. So yan yung laman itong emergency first aid kit na yan. And ito naman yung laman ng isang plastic. So yan ang laman ng buong emergency go bag. So yan, kita na natin, ito yung laman ng buong go bag. Yan, ulitin, una is first aid kit, and ito yung pang disaster talaga na stuff like flashlight, thermal blanket, light, and whistle. Yan, yung plastic, I don't know para saan, pero yeah, yes, plastic. Yan ang laman itong buong emergency go bag. So yan, ang purpose nito most probably talaga siya nga for disaster emergencies. Pero hindi lang naman siguro basta to sa mga lindol, bagyo, stranded sa baha, lalo na kapag itong first aid kit na to, magagamit yan for any situation basta nagkaroon ka ng emergency stuff na nasugatan or anything else. Yan, magagamit yan. And most probably kasi yung ibang laman yan may expiration, so talagang kailangan gamitin. Unlike this other stuff, yan, so unless siguro ito baka may expiration to dahil sa battery niyan, mamamatay din yan. And I don't know kung ito is ganong katagal. If you have kung meron kayong idea regarding dito ganong katagal, please hit the comment para malaman ko rin. Pero yan, yung emergency blanket nga pala is what? Size nito is 160 by 210 centimeter or 12 microns. It reflects 90% of body heat. Yan, reusable, waterproof, and windproof. Compact emergency protection against heat and cold in all weather conditions. Yan ang nakasulat sa emergency thermal blanket. Don't know kung ilang pieces ito. Maybe, most probably, baka isa lang ito or dalawa. Yan lang naman yan. So yun na, we've done checking what's inside this bag. And so if you're new, if you like this video, please do hit the like button, and share this video to your friends and relatives, lalo na yung mga nagdi sa Pasig, baka hindi pa nila nalilisip yung ganito nila. It's time para at least makita nila, mayroon palang ganito sa Pasig. And lalo na dito sa area namin, mga bahain, and according sa ibang mga tao dito, malapit daw kami sa fault line because malapit kami sa Marikina fault. So yan, most probably isang reason kaya meron kaming ganito. Sa place ninyo, yun, question lang naman is, sa place ba ninyo meron ding mga ganitong like scenario, like na binibigay? For example, yan, dito sa Pasig ganito, may mga ganitong bang binibigay sa inyo? If we meron, ano kaya, ano binibigay sa inyong for emergency? And yun, sa akin lang naman, hopefully sana may ganito rin sa area ko sa Bulacan, specifically sa Hagonoy, dahil Hagonoy is disaster prone. Madalas baha doon, laging binabaha. Hindi pwedeng reason yung resilient na sanay na sila. Kailangan may ganito pa rin, emergency, meron pa rin first aid kit, because di mo malalaman yung worst comes to worst na scenario, lalo na probinsya yun. Yan. So yan, balik na tayo sa Pasig. So again, thank you sa Pasig government for giving this stuff, hopefully hindi namin gamitin, dahil mas maganda pa rin yung hindi mo siya gagamitin hindi yan. Ibig sabihin safe ka, walang nangyaring masama, walang mangyayaring disaster. And yun lang. Thank you again, we're grateful, thank you again. And na-excite naman ako sa next na ano kaya magbibigay pa sa susunod. So yun lang guys, and again, thank you for watching my vlog. And if you're new to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button again, and hit the notification bell button to give you updates. Dahil yan, mag-update pa ako ulit ng iba pang videos like this one, na to educate and to give everyone an update regarding lalo so kung saan ako nakatira. So hindi lang naman to for example sa Pasig lang naman. For example, meron dito sa Hagonoy or sa Bulacan o kung saan ako nakatira or mabibigyan, I will post it para ma-inform and ma-educate yung mga people regarding sa mga projects na meron ang government sa atin. So yun lang naman. And till next ish, thank you.